How y'all doing out there? It's raining in Branson, so I'm inside today. Thought I would record a little song about the rain. And what better song than CCR and Who'll Stop the Rain? It was actually written by John Fogerty and originally recorded by the CCR in 1970 on their Cosmos Factory album. It goes like this.
Coming down, clouds of mystery boil, confusion on the ground, good men through the ages, trying to find the song, and I wonder, still I wonder, who'll stop the rain, when Virginia, seeking shelter from the storm, caught up in the fable, I watched the tower grow, 5-year plans and new deals, wrapped in golden chains, and I wonder, still I wonder, who'll stop the rain. Heard the singers playing, how we cheered for more, crowded rush together, trying to keep warm, still the rain kept pouring, falling on my ears, and I wonder, still I wonder, who'll stop the rain. 1970 CCR, Who'll Stop the Rain.
I hope you liked it. It's a pretty good song. A lot of you all out there probably won't even remember it.